Hello everyone, this is Life Micro Skills. Today's knot article introduces a kind of nail knot to you, also known as tightening knots. A windbreak or clothesline for tent. Extremely strong. This is a rope. On the right side, I've fixed it with a stud knot. The main thing to do with stapling is a practice on the left. I put the rope around the object first. The end of the rope is draped over this main rope, then pass the tail of the rope from the bottom through the rope loop next to the object. I'll give it 2 laps around this place. And after 2 turns, I pull the end down. After the tail of the rope is pulled down to the bottom, the end of the rope goes around the bottom of the main rope. In fact, the rope head can directly pass through the formed rope loop. Then, in order to facilitate the unpacking, I made a loop of rope. In this way, just pull it directly when you use it next time. That's what we're going to do. Camp tying can often be used in outdoor camping. We can adjust this rope loop larger or smaller. Just pull this knot to the left. You can hold this rope very tight. If you pitch a tent outdoors and tighten the windbreak rope, it's very good to use this rope. You can also do this by drying clothes at home. It can be pulled very tightly. For this rope loop, we can find an object and put it inside. I'm not afraid that the rope will loosen. Take it out directly when not in use. It will be very convenient to use next time. This loop can be made bigger and smaller. The main loop is very tight after tightening. Nice when a fixed knot. This knot is really practical in life. Have you learned this fly nailing? Well, today's video will be shared here. Thank you for watching. If you like, please like and follow us. See you next time. Bye.